How to enable billing in Google Cloud Project. In this video, I'll show you how to enable billing in Google Cloud Project. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Console on your Google account. And then once you're in here, you'll be able to find this option to try Google Cloud for free with $300 free credit. So once you click on this try for free button, you'll get redirected into this section. So in here, you need to select the country where you're currently residing and where your Google account is registered to, and then click on this agree and continue. And then on the next section, you'll need to go ahead and provide your payment information. So make sure that the payment information that you have on your payment method is similar with the contact information that you just filled in with Google Console. So you also need to provide your tax information, such as your tax status. And then once you click on the Start for Free button, you'll be able to start using Google Cloud free trial for 90 days. Now, once you have spent all of this $300 free credit, you'll start to get charged on Google Cloud Console. And that is how you can basically enable billing in Google Cloud Project. So you need to consume all of this 300 free credit first before you get charged on the platform.